Hello everyone, the topics in this video will be high pressure laminates, that is HPL, aluminum composite panels, we'll call it as ACP, glass reinforced concrete, or it is called as glass fiber reinforced concrete, that is GRC or GPRC, and last one pre-painted galvanized iron sheets, that is PPGA. So we'll move on to the first one, high pressure laminates, HPL. High pressure laminates. So what is high pressure laminates? These are resins and paper based composite material. It is a durable decorative surface materials. It is available with special properties like chemical, fire and wear resistance. So HPL sheets are made by saturating layers of kraft papers into phenolic resins, and then it is sandwiched between printed decor papers. So finally they are compressed and baked under high test making. They are baked under high heat, making them strong and beautiful for use. Properties of HPL. These are scratch free and it will be flexible and easy to maintenance and ease of management and resistance to surface wear, resistance to dry heat, and it is strong, rigid and looks beautiful, resistance to color change in artificial light. So these are the properties. I repeat, it's a scratch free, it will be flexible and ease of maintenance and also management, resistance to surface wear, resistance to dry heat and strong, and it is rigid and looks very beautiful, resistance to color change in artificial light. So where HPL are used, it is used in countertops, that is high pressure laminate countertops, used in tabletops, used as flooring, used in flooring, cabinetry and casing the goods and furniture, high pressure laminate furniture. So HPL are used for cladding, which will prove to be very rigid, strong and also a fire retardant, used for surface decorating materials for outdoors and indoors because of their durability, resistance towards chemical and fire, and also available in wide variety of colors and textures. So as I told, HPL are resins and it is a paper based composite material. It is a durable surface material. It has special properties like chemical, fire and wear resistance, and HPL sheets are made by saturating layers of kraft paper into phenolic resins, and then it is sandwiched between printed decor papers. At last they are compressed and break, making them strong and beautiful for use. So after HPL, that is high pressure laminates, we'll discuss the topic, that is alumina composite panels, we'll call it as ACP. It is also known as ACP, aluminum composite panels. Generally it is made up of aluminum composite material, that is ACM, which contains two thinly coated aluminum sheets. It can be availed in wide range of colors and finishes such as wood, stone, etc. So we'll discuss the properties and its applications in next slides. So why we choose ACP sheet? Because it is lightweight, it is flexible, and it is easy to work with. It is easy to install. It can be installed very fast, and it is durable, and it is easy to maintain, and it is cost effective, and offers a variety of colors and textures. So these are the reasons why ACP sheets can be chosen, and this will be the advantages as well, and also the properties. Same properties of ACP. As I told now, it is lightweight, structural rigidity, easy to work with it. Work will be easier, and installation also will be easier, and the durability and maintenance is very easy, and is also cost effective, and offers a variety of colors and textures. So what are the applications where ACP is used? Generally it is used in cladding, partitions, and interiors. So due to its rigidity and its durability, ACP sheets are used for wall cladding in exterior and interior. Exterior and interior design. So generally aluminum is a lightweight metal and has ease of installation, therefore it is largely favored for wall cladding. Okay, wall cladding. Also these aluminum composite panels have more advantages because it is used at several places, like in outdoor occasions and outdoor ones. So the outdoor occasions include cladding, partition, and building exterior walls. Partition, cladding, and exterior walls, and used as curtain wall panels, and also in the renovation of old buildings. In indoor occasions include a ceiling decoration, dust prevention, purification, also can be used, advertising, signboards, etc. So next is glass reinforced concrete. The third one after ACP, aluminum composite panels. We'll move on to glass reinforced concrete. It is also known as glassed fiber reinforced concrete, that is GFRC. In the first slide I told it's a GPRC, it's not GPRC, it is GFRC, a glass fiber reinforced concrete. So it is a construction material used to form exterior cladding panels. It is growing popularly because of its ability to be formed into various size and shapes. So GRC is a composite material manufactured from hydraulic cement, silica, silica sands, alkali resistant glass fibers, and water and other additives. It is composed from high strength alkali resistant glass fibers embedded in concrete matrix. The fiber acts as a principal load carrying component while the surrounding matrix keeps them in position and transfers load between the fibers. So both fibers and matrix are capable of retaining their physical and chemical identities while combining their properties to create a high performance composite. So I repeat about GRC, glass reinforced concrete. It is composed from high strength alkali resistant glass fibers and it is embedded in a concrete matrix. The fibers act as the principal load carrying component while the surrounding matrix keeps them in position and transfers load between the fibers. So both fibers and matrix are capable of retaining their physical and chemical identities and combining their properties to create high performance composite. So it differs from other precast concretes due to tensile and bending strength, which is achieved by the addition of glass fibers throughout the matrix. So GRC is manufactured in thin sections by machine spraying and enriched ordinary Portland cement and aggregate mix with glass fibers depressed throughout. These fibers serve a similar purpose to steel rebar in reinforced concrete, but not susceptible to rust. But it is not susceptible to rust. So often used as a lightweight cladding system and can be made to look almost identical to normal stone. The installation will be easier and more cost effective due to the lower weight of the panels, which is approximately 80% lighter than a precast steel reinforced concrete cladding. So the panel take a sandwich form and offer good durability, fire resistant, wear resistance, weather resistance, and sound insulation properties. So these will be the advantages. So properties of GRC will be just now I told it is a lightweight because of its thin section, a design, a flexibility, non-combustibility, anti-corrosiness, high bending strength, high impact strength, high bending strength, high impact strength, and anti-corrosiness. So here in anti-corrosiness, the fibers will serve similar purpose to steel. It will serve similar to steel rebar. Steel rebar as we do in the reinforced concrete. Therefore, it is not susceptible to rust. Okay. So these are all the properties and advantages, and next is applications, that is uses. GFRC has a large number of use cases due to its strength, weight, and design. Due to its strength, weight, and design. It is used in architectural cladding, that is hanging several stories above sidewalks, for aesthetic such as interior furniture like GFRC coffee tables. I am giving one example. Okay, after GFRC, the last one is pre-painted galvanized iron sheets. So we'll discuss a next topic called pre-painted galvanized iron sheets. So what is pre-painted galvanized iron sheets? In the figure we can observe here, it is a process of applying protective zinc coating to steel or iron to prevent from rusting. The most common method is hot dip galvanizing, in which parts are submerged in a bath of molten zinc. So these are steel sheets which are basically coated with zinc and include a range of hot dip galvanized and electro galvanized steel sheets. So PPGI is pre-painted galvanized iron, also known as pre-coated steel, coil coated steel, color coated steel, etc. Typically with hot dip zinc coated steel substrate. So using hot dip galvanized steel coil as a substrate, PPGI is made by first going through surface pre-treatment, then the coating of one or more layers of liquid coating by roll coating, and finally baking and cooling. The coatings used are polyester, silicone, modified polyester, high durability, corrosion resistance, and formability. After baking, next is cold form process. After cold form process, pre-painted galvanized roofing sheets will have the advantages because of its lightweight and beautiful appearance, which made it perfect for building roof and wall panel. And it is also high erosion resistance. Corrosion resistance gives a longer service life than wood material. It's a pre-painted steel, very popularly, and can be made with special shapes and colors for different structure design requirements. So what will be the properties of pre-painted galvanized iron sheets? It contains I've told all explanation about the process, manufacturing and preparation, everything. So general properties of PPGI is it will contains 55% aluminum and 43% zinc and 1.6% silica that are coated on steel. 55% aluminum, 43.4 zinc and 1.6% silicon that are coated on the steel. So zinc aluminum coated on steel make them fire resistant and durability. If zinc aluminum coated on these sheets will give durability and resistant to fire. Next, thermal properties of these PPGI sheets are unique. The durability of PPGI is kept in mind while designing these modern PPGI roofs. So the interior designers might make curved or hexagonal design, depends on the designers. Make curved or hexagonal design. PPGI sheets are in many colors. with a weather resistant finishing. Okay, so provides many colors which will be resistant to weather conditions. So where it is used, there is applications for roofing as rooftops, as we might have seen in several places. The PPGI sheets are used for roofings, for rooftops, and protecting for shades, protecting from sun, so it gives shades, used in porticos, verandas also, and for wall applications also, as well as used for interior designs such as ceiling. Also, it is used in cladding, steel structured walls and roof systems in power plants, car showrooms, cement warehouses, steel structures, airport terminals, train stations. Yes, there are so many applications are there. These sheets can be used here, and also stadiums, concert halls, theaters, etc. Also markets, logistic centers, Olympic stadium, etc. So these are the applications where pre-painted galvanized steels can be used. So we discussed HPL, high pressure laminates, its process and its properties, and next ACP, that is alumina composite panels, its applications and properties, and GRC or GFRC, glass fiber reinforced concretes, and then pre-painted galvanized iron sheets, its applications and properties. Thank you.